Your amazing opposable thumbs. You've got two. They're amazing. They are your opposable thumbs. The thumb is the key to how humans hold things. No other living thing has a hand and thumb exactly like yours. But what is an opposable thumb? An opposable thumb allows you to touch the tip of your thumb to the tip of each finger. Try it. Then try to touch the tip of your index finger to the tip of your pinky. Your fingers are designed to work together with your thumb. This allows you to use your hands in many different ways. Because we can hold things between the thumb and other fingers, we are able to pick up even tiny objects. This is called a precision grip. How important is your thumb? Try picking up a pen and writing without using your thumb. What makes the thumb work the way it does? A unique joint connects the thumb to the palm. This joint is called a saddle joint. The thumb is the only place the saddle joint is found. This joint allows the thumb to move side to side and back and forth. The human saddle joint is very strong. Phalanges, metacarpals, carpals, saddle joint of the thumb. Joints and muscles. Some parts of the body are quite flexible. Others move only a little. That's because there are different types of joints in different places. There are more than 200 joints in the human body. Each has its own job to do. The shape of a joint determines exactly how that part of the body will move. In general, the less movement a body part has, the stronger that part of the body is. A slippery, smooth tissue covers the ends of the bones where they meet and touch. This tissue is cartilage. The cartilage, kept slippery by a special fluid, allows the bones to move against one another with less rubbing. Hinge joints. Hinge joints are simple but important joints in your body. A hinge joint works like the hinge of a door. It allows movement in only one direction. Hinge joints allow your legs, arms, and fingers to bend and straighten. Hinge joints are found at the knees, elbows, fingers, and toes. The knee joint is the largest hinge joint in the human body. It locks when you stand straight. The knee joint's locking action makes it easier for you to stand for long periods of time. Ball and socket joints. Ball and socket joints allow bones to swivel in nearly any direction. Ball and socket joints get their name from the shapes of the two bones that meet there. One example is the shoulder joint. The ball of the upper arm bone fits snugly into the hollow socket of the shoulder. Ball and socket joints are found at the shoulder and hip. The hip is the strongest of all joints. It must be strong to support the weight of the upper body. It is not quite as flexible as the shoulder joint. You can swing your arm in a complete circle. Hinge joints allow your knees to bend. Ball and socket joints allow you to swivel your shoulders and hips. Gliding joints. Gliding joints have two flat surfaces that glide smoothly and easily past one another. These joints allow only small movements. Gliding joints are found in the neck and spine between pairs of vertebrae. Other gliding joints are found in the wrists and ankles. Gliding joints allow your ankles to move. Interesting animal joints. How do other animals' joints compare to human joints? Horse. Horses have special tendons that work with the carpal joints in their front legs to prevent bending. This helps the horse to stand and even sleep standing for hours. Gibbon. In addition to having opposable thumbs, gibbons also have an opposable toe on each foot. This toe works like the opposable thumb. It allows the animal to hang onto branches with its feet while it travels from tree to tree. Goat. Goats and some other animals that eat plants have unusual jaw joints. These jaw joints allow a goat to move their jaws sideways, up and down, and front to back when chewing. muscles. Your body has more than 700 muscles. Without these muscles, you'd be going nowhere. Every move you make is powered by muscles. Muscles help you walk, run, and hit a baseball. When you blink, chew, or talk, you are using your muscles. Muscles also help keep your body upright and make your movements steady. Muscles are made up of small, thick bundles of fibers. These fibers are designed for movement. When muscles contract, they pull the bones, causing movement. About 650 of your muscles are skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles move the arms, legs, and other parts of the body. Skeletal muscles are also called voluntary muscles. That's because you can control these muscles. There are two other types of muscles. They are smooth muscles and cardiac muscles. Smooth muscles are found in the walls of blood vessels and some organs. Cardiac muscles are found in the walls of the heart. Muscle pairs. Skeletal muscles nearly always work in pairs or groups. While one muscle contracts, the other relaxes. Look at your upper arm as you bend your arm at the elbow. The biceps and triceps muscles in your upper arm are working together. The biceps contracts and becomes shorter, while the triceps relaxes and becomes longer. It's important to take care of your muscles. This means getting plenty of exercise and eating well. The more your muscles are used, the stronger they will become and the better they will work. Muscles help you run and kick soccer balls. Biceps, triceps. Muscles on the move. Facial muscles. There are about 30 different muscles in your face. Most facial muscles are attached to each other or to the skin, not to bone. The facial muscles control a variety of movements. When you raise your eyebrows, wrinkle your forehead, close your eyes, or smile, your facial muscles are at work. Neck muscles. Muscles in the neck must be very strong. They have to keep the head upright. An adult human head weighs about 4.5 kilograms, kg. Hand muscles. Each hand has about 20 different muscles. With so many muscles, the hand can move in a variety of ways. Abdominal muscles. Your abdominal muscles allow you to twist and bend your body. They also help you inhale and exhale. Gluteus maximus. The gluteus maximus is the largest muscle in your body. It is also one of the strongest. This big muscle helps you run, jump, and climb. It's also the muscle on which you sit. Leg muscles. The muscles in your thigh bend, straighten, and twist both your hip and your knee. The muscles in your calf allow you to bend, straighten, and twist your ankle. Muscles and bones working together. Check out the muscles and bones that work together to make movement possible. Gluteus maximus, thigh bone and pelvis. The gluteus maximus connects the femur or thigh bone to the pelvic bones. This muscle controls running, jumping, and climbing. Biceps and triceps, arm bones. The biceps and triceps muscles help move the arm bones. The arm bones are the humerus, radius, and ulna. Bend your arm at the elbow and the biceps contracts while the triceps relaxes. Straighten your arm and the opposite happens. Various muscles, shoulder blade and upper arm bone. The shoulder is one of the most flexible parts of the body. Many muscles are needed to hold the scapula or shoulder blade in place. The deltoid is one of the larger muscles in the shoulder area. This muscle helps raise the arm. Calf muscles, heel bone, and lower leg bones. The heel bone is connected to the calf muscles by the Achilles tendon. It is the longest and strongest tendon in your body. Calf and shin muscles also connect your lower leg bones, the tibia and fibula, to your ankle. These muscles help bend and straighten the ankle. Neck muscles, skull and spine. Pairs of muscles in your neck connect your skull to your spine. Each pair of muscles moves the skull in a different direction.